Right, I have my laminar flow cabinet on, so it's got the fans right below me and it's blowing air at me. I don't know how this audio is going to come out, but I will do my best to talk through it. Get my green light on one moment. Yeah. Right, this is the screen. I just removed the backlight from the other video, and I said I wasn't going to fit a new one. I'm going to. So it's a C3F screen. The backlight that I have here is a refurbished C3F backlight, so the manufacturer's match. I will be getting no touch issues. So quite simple here. Got a clean cloth and some acetone. You can see sort of the glue that's left on here. Just going to clean that up. I don't want to press too hard, because if I press too hard I can damage the LCD. This LCD in the middle here is very thin and delicate. I don't know if you'll be able to see in the video, but there is still glue around the edges of the screen, but it's not in the visible bit. It's not in the visible bit of the polarizer. So when the new backlight is on, it will not matter. Right, there you go. I am happy with that. So here's the new backlight. It's got a protective layer on the inside, so I'm just going to give that a quick wipe down. There you go. And then this bit is really quite simple. I'm going to peel this. Put the flex or the flex lines up on the left side and put it down. So yeah, it's nice and in line. Give it a push down. Now this flex here, when that sticker's lifted up, that'll be ready to solder back on there, and it's good to go. There you go.